Hey, it's Markus from the 3D Racing Garage here. I want to show you what I'm printing right now. You can hear the printers in the background. I bought the other day some wires for upcoming projects, and to organize my wires I then first thought to put the wires on a wooden stick and put this under a shelf or so. And then I looked on Thingiverse and I found this nice organizing box for wires with spools, and there are coming doors in front of it, and then the wires are pulled out through the doors. And yeah, there's a nice solution to organize your wires, and then you have your wires always handy, and you can take them where you are working. The credit for this object goes to the Thingiverse user STTRive, and the thing number is 2178474. And when you look at the files, there are files for a 5x2 box or a 4x2 box. I go with a 5x2 spool box, and you can also use the Thingiverse customizer to make a box with specifications you need for your wires. So here you can see my 6 printer. He's printing right now the doors. The filament is a transparent blue from extruded PETG. PETG is my standard filament right now. And here to the left is my big builder, and he is printing 2 spool parts and the axes which are going through the spools. And these parts are also printed with extruder PETG in white. So here you can see the box of the used filament. So let's transfer some wires from this roll to this one. So there's also a little hole in the printed spools where you can put the starting point or the starting end through. If you have another idea to transfer wire from one spool to another, so let me know. After printing out and mounting the doors in transparent blue and spooling the wires on the spools for the box, now the wire box is finished, and it's really a great thing to have the wires handy for a project, and to take the wire box with you where you are working. So perhaps this is something for you, and you'll find the link to the Thingiverse page down in the comments. Thanks and bye bye.